Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today we're going to be unboxing my July Tamed Wild Box. It usually comes in a mailer, and it did this time. I just don't have it in the frame. Beautiful box, very lovely. This is our Tamed Wild Box, which is $29 a month. Don't mind the crunching. My pups are eating. It's actually pretty late where I am, and my little one's asleep, so I'm going to be speaking a little quieter than usual. Let's check this out. Ooh, llamas. Pretty. Don't mind those background noises. My husband's just getting ready for bed. So let's not look at that yet. Ooh, an intention journal, 2019 to 2020. Sabbats, nice. Moon calendar. Sabbats. Oh, interesting. So there's July, August. I missed September, I guess. September, October. Wow, very cool. I like that. I do bullet journaling, so I usually write everything by hand, but this is a very nice tool. Very nice template for somebody for sure. I like that. Very cool. Pretty. Oh, I've got this beautiful, looks like grapevines. I like it. Okay, let's check her out. Black onyx. Let's take a little look. Sorry, I've got a really, like a painful wrist here. Hurt myself. Ooh, we've got a couple of pieces of black onyx. Some other colors on it, but let's see. Oh, beautiful. Lovely. I've actually got in Zen and Meow. I have two more of these. One in my Wild Box for January for manifestation. And I think another one in Magical Earth, but I would have to check. But these are really, really lovely. I love them. This is burlap sack. It feels like there's shells in here, but let me just open her up. Yes, we've got some little abalones. Okay, we've got a little oil. Bergamot. I love it when I get plain essential oils, because then I just add them to my collection indefinitely, and I love bergamot. I also like some ritual oils. It's just I don't like them all. Ooh, Florida water soap. Very nice. Ooh, very, very nice. I love that. I haven't had Florida water or orange blossom water or anything like that in quite some time. So I'm loving that. Heart chakra herbal tea. We've got two little boxes. Let's open the big one first. Ooh. Oh. This is open. Oh. It does. I think this is like an essential oil diffuser necklace. I've gotten a few of these in the past. This is a very pretty one. I like that a lot. And then let's look at this little one. Ooh, so pretty. Beautiful. Love it. All right, let's read a little bit about this box. Lammas Ritual Tools. Florida Water Soap. Cleanse your hands and body with Florida water soap to remove unwanted thought patterns and emphasize authentic emotion during spell work. Lavender, clove, bergamot, and lemon are just a few of the aromas found within this purifying blend. Florida water is believed to repel negativity and rejuvenate the spirit. To begin the ritual, wash your hands and command the energy that no longer serves you to disappear down the drain. Intention Journal. Use this intention journal and lunar planner to track your goals and observe your progress over the next 11 months. Tuck this booklet into your grimoire as a reminder of the upcoming moon phases and Sabbats. At the start of this ritual, spend some time looking through the intention journal and making notes. Clearly state what you will release during this new moon phase and what you will create with this extra energy in honor of Lammas. Suncatcher. For this ritual, source whatever is readily available to you to transform the wood wreath into a visual representation of your intention. Decorate the sun catcher. Oh, that's what they mean by this. Decorate the sun catcher by weaving in flower petals, colored twine, ribbon, faux or real plants, and written affirmations. Use a piece of brightly colored thread or fishing line to attach the abalone shells and any additional relics that represent the outcome of your goal. Elemental items such as glass or crystal beads, pendants, ethically sourced feathers, bells, and copies of photographs. Don't use originals as they will fade in the sun. Are all popular choices. Activate the wreath by hanging the crystal prism in the center. Suspend the sun couch or outdoors or near a window to release your desires skyward and attract blessings of abundance and gratitude. Abalone shells. Attach these iridescent fossils to your sun catcher to balance the fiery energy of the sun. Abalone shells are water elements that carry the rainbow spectrum of color. They are used in ritual to strengthen intuition, connect with spirits, balance emotions, support relationships, and incite mindfulness. It is believed that abalone shells transport messages to spirit guides, ancestors, and our highest self. Ritual stones. One of the following tumble stones has chosen you. After cleansing, researching, and bonding with your crystal, incorporate into the ritual as you see fit. So I got black onyx, earth element, root chakra, radiates an aura of protection that grounds excess energy and enhances focus, self-confidence, willpower, physical stamina, and emotional maturity. Black onyx is a faithful companion for those going through emotional detox or taking part in shadow work. Other options were sodalite and cream moonstone, but I got onyx. Heart chakra tea. This blend of lemon balm, nettle, lady's menthol, ginger, hawthorn berries, rose petals, rose hips, and hibiscus is the perfect combination of fire and water. These complementing herbs are believed to establish a balance between the physical and emotional aspects of the mind and soul. Enjoy a cup of heart chakra tea during a ritual when you wish to lead with your heart, or brew yourself a mug after ritual as part of your grounding practice to draw back your energy. Bergamot Essential Oil Diffuser Necklace. Bergamot's uplifting scent is believed to increase mental stamina, stimulate circulation, and draw in material wealth and prosperity. If you feel fatigued or you spread yourself too thin, bergamot reminds us to take a deep breath and realign priorities. Whenever you feel unbalanced, inhale this sweet and spicy scent to reclaim your energy and tune into the frequency of abundance. Wood grid. Take this mini grid with you during your travels. Similar to crafting a sun catcher, gridding is another way to create a visual representation of your goals, dreams, and their desired outcomes. Decorate with crystals, fresh or dried flowers, jewelry, runes, and anything else that speaks to you. Very, very cool. I like it a lot. It speaks to me quite a bit. There's a ritual, but usually I do my own thing, but I very much like the thought, the intention, and all the items. It's really a winner for me. And this box was only $29, so basically I feel like Tamed Wild hit it out of the park this month. Very excited to do this ritual in my own way and to use these items for manifesting good things. Very excited about that. What do you guys think? Let me know. As always, please like, comment. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and I will see you guys very soon. Thank you for watching. Good night. Hello guys, I almost forgot the most important detail. I have two of these boxes because I bought an extra Tamed Wild Box to give away to my wonderful subscribers here at Hound Dog Hollow to celebrate my Tamed Wild Box video reaching over 1,000 views. So this is a giveaway. You could win this wonderful Tamed Wild Box. An unopened one. I bought two. This one's mine. You'll get one too, I'm sure. And it'll probably be just exactly perfect for you. So you could win this. How can you do that? 3 steps as per the usual. You gotta like, you gotta subscribe. If you're already a subscriber, that also counts. That's totally fine. And you have to tell me how you plan to spend Lammas, what you're going to do. And this is going to be a longer giveaway. You're going to have more days to do it. I'm probably going to say 3 from the time this video goes up. And I will announce the winner probably the next morning. And then the winner has about 24 hours to get back to me. But I'm going to try really hard to let you know in the description of this video, but also a response to the comments and an announcement on my channel. So keep an eye out for those because that will be part of this. I can't wait to see your guys' responses, and thank you so much for watching my videos. I hope you enjoy them, and I hope we can do this again and again and again in the future. So I will comment back to you guys as you guys do this. Show my social media some love for some extra entries, and thank you so much. Let's see who's gonna win this beautiful box. Have a good night.